Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of September 10, 2021. To be honest, I was not in a mood of making this today's video because of the past previous problems.
மாமு இந்த ஊர்ல தான் இதுக்கு பேரு பஸ் துபாயில எல்லாம் இதுக்கு பேரு குப்பலாரி அப்படியா
But somehow I have just கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் பார்ப்போம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு போய் தான் பார்த்தேன். பட் ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு கொடுத்துருக்க ப்ராப்ளம் ரொம்பவே இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருந்துச்சு ப்ரீவியஸ் டேஸோட கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது. ஸோ என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, ஸோ இன் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் they have given a two lines of input. In two lines they are just given a open and close parenthesis. This is a what balanced pair. ஸோ எல்லாத்துக்குமே மேட்சிங் பேர்ஸ் இருக்கும். we just need to find the maximum depth. இருக்கிறதுலே ரொம்ப ஆழமான ஒரு பேரை கண்டுபிடிச்சி அதில் செகண்ட் லைனில் உள்ளதை நம்ம இன்சர்ட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ இன் திஸ் கேஸ் this has a depth of 1. Here for this the depth is 1 2, so 2 for this alone, and here this is 1 2 3. So we have found 3 here, 1 2 3. We have found 3 also here. So if we have matched or found 2 or more with the same depth, like the maximum depth, we just need to consider the first one. So we just need to put this second pair into the first one. So the output will be something like this. Likewise, we just need to make the pattern for this also. Here we have found 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3. Here also 3. Okay, 1
A few moments later.
2 3 4. Here we have found 4. This is the maximum depth we can find. Like here also we can get 4, here also we can get 4. The first occurrence occurs here, right? So we just need to put all those S2 into this place. So the matrix will be something like this. What makes this problem actually tough is like debugging, like understanding the output with a unique color. So that's why I have used the multicolor, just to get rid of like நான் பட்ட கஷ்டம் நீங்களும் பட வேணாமே சொல்லிட்டு மெனக்கிட்டு இதை பண்ண. ஓகே, let's jump into the problem. First we just need to get two input pairs. S1 equal to input dot strip, S2 equal to input dot strip. Actually we don't have to do that. Before figuring the logic, we don't need to write anything on code. As I have found the logic before, I'm just writing the code, but you just need to focus on the problem first. So how we are going to do that? We can use a stack, which is nothing but an ancient type, but it consumes lot of memory, right? So whenever we found a open pair, we'll put it there, and whenever we found a closed pair, we'll pop the value out. So we can find the maximum depth, and we can find the index according to that. But instead of using stack, we can use two literally normal variables, like for the maximum count and for current pair count. So the maximum count will be initialized as m equal to 0, and current pair count is initialized as 0. We'll take the index equal to 0. So if the iterator meets any open parenthesis, the current pair will be incremented. If the iterator meets any closed pair, the iterator will be decremented, the c value. So for the case c equal to 1 for first iteration, and it will be 0. So whenever the c value changes, we just need to compare c with m. So if c is greater than max, we will update the max. So m equal to 1, and we will capture the index. Here this is the index at 0, right? So it will be like that. So this pair is completed. For this pair 1 2, so the c value will be updated 1 and then 2. After that it will become 1 because it will be reduced, and the maximum index occurs at 0, 1, 2, 3. So the I will be 3. After that it will become 2. So 2 is already max value, so max won't get updated, index also don't get updated. After this the C will be 3, max will be 3, and I will be 6. Yeah, this is in the index 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's there. So then the C value will be 2, 1, and then 0. Now it will become 1, 2, 3. I'm here. It will become again 0, and it will become 2. Since the maximum index occurs fastest in the index of 6, right? So we just need to put all those values up to 6. Like we will print up to this, and then we will add the S2 value, and then we will print the rest of the values. So that's the logic behind this. So let's solve this. First we just need a character max equal to 0, current equal to 0, index equal to 0. Now we just need to iterate the loop, right? For I in range of len of S1 if S1 of I is equal to open brace. As I have already told, we just need to update the current, right? Current plus equal to 1, else current minus equal to 1. This is a separate if condition. If current is greater than max, this should be caps M, because the small m max is already declared or defined for predefined values. So max equal to current and index equal to I. Finally, if we print max comma index, we will get the input for the first sample input. We will get 3 and 6. 3 is the maximum depth and 6 is the index, right? So we just need to print print of S1 up to index so the index will at the position of this place, right? So if I put or print up to index, we will get up to the previous pair. To include that pair, we just need to add +1 and then we just need to put S2 just like that, and then we just need to add S1 of index +1 till end. So if we do that, we'll get the proper output. Believe me, this is the proper output. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Yeah, this is the code for review. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.